Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P062F signals a powertrain control module (PCM) internal control module keep alive memory (KAM) error specifically for the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. The PCM is a critical component responsible for managing various functions of the engine and transmission systems, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. The KAM section of the PCM stores essential information that helps the vehicle maintain its operational settings even when the ignition is turned off. This includes parameters such as fuel trims and idle speed adjustments. If the KAM experiences an internal error, it may cause malfunction indicators or suboptimal vehicle performance. Troubleshooting this issue requires a systematic approach to identify the root cause and rectify it efficiently. DTC P062F pertains specifically to an internal error within the powertrain control module, PCM, particularly affecting its keep alive memory, KAM function. The KAM serves as a memory storage area for crucial operational data, even when the power is off, allowing the vehicle to retain important settings. The PCM is typically located within the engine compartment or near the dashboard, secured in a way to protect it from environmental damage. This module not only manages engine parameters but also adjusts settings dynamically based on driving conditions. An error in the KAM can lead to lost data crucial for efficient operation, causing issues like poor fuel economy or transmission problems. Thus, understanding the PCM's role is vital when diagnosing DTC P062F. Several factors can lead to the DTC P062F being triggered. A common reason is corrupted data within the PCM, which can occur due to electrical issues or software glitches. Additionally, outdated or faulty software in the PCM can exacerbate the problem, leading to operational inconsistencies. Poor or loose electrical connections at the PCM can also contribute to this issue, preventing accurate communication needed for effective vehicle management. It's important to rule out these potential causes systematically to ensure accurate diagnostics. Understanding these causes aids in forming an effective troubleshooting strategy. The symptoms associated with DTC P062F can range from minor inconveniences to significant performance issues. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, which signals that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected an anomaly. Drivers may also notice poor engine performance, characterized by erratic acceleration or stalling. Additionally, transmission shifting issues may arise due to the PCM not being able to effectively manage shift patterns, resulting in delays or harsh engagements. Recognizing these symptoms can assist in timely interventions and lessen the risk of further damage to vehicle systems. The first step in the troubleshooting process for DTC P062F is to turn the ignition switch to the on position, which powers up the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Following this, it's essential to connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, tool to the vehicle's onboard diagnostics port. The HDS allows technicians to interface effectively with the PCM and is used to clear any existing DTCs. This action resets the system and prepares it for a fresh assessment of any current errors. Collecting freeze frame data and onboard snapshots before proceeding will provide important reference points for further diagnostics, allowing technicians to analyze conditions at the time the error occurred. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P062F, utilize the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed diagnostic trouble codes specifically within the PGM-FI system. The PGM-FI system, or Programmed Fuel Injection System, manages the fuel delivery and air intake for optimal combustion in the engine. If DTC P062F is indicated in this system, it suggests that the issue is directly affecting engine fuel management. If the code persists, it is a clear indication that the PCM is unable to maintain proper function due to its KAM error, and further troubleshooting within this system will be required. On the other hand, if the DTC does not appear, a different approach must be taken. The third troubleshooting step necessitates inspecting the AT system, automatic transmission system, for any pending or confirmed DTCs via the HDS. This step is critical because any input or control from the PCM also affects transmission functionality. If DTC P062F is found in the AT system, it is a sign of a broader issue impacting both the engine and transmission systems, confirming that the KAM error is significant. Conversely, if DTC P062F is not identified, this could indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system may be normal at this moment. In such cases, it's prudent to check for any other pending or confirmed codes that may help identify the underlying issues. Upon confirming that DTC P062F is present in the AT system, the fourth step involves ensuring that the PCM is running the latest software version. An outdated PCM can lead to erroneous readings and suboptimal performance. Use HDS to check if the software is current. If not, proceed to perform an update. If the PCM has the latest software, but the issue persists, it may be necessary to substitute the current PCM with a known good unit. This substitution serves as a diagnostic tool to isolate whether the problem lies within the PCM itself or if external factors are involved. By performing this step, technicians can efficiently narrow down their focus towards resolving the KAM error. Once the PCM has been updated or substituted, the next troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and allowing it to run for a minimum of 2 minutes. This time frame allows the PCM enough opportunity to adapt to the changes made and recalibrate its settings as necessary. Monitoring the PCM's response during this time is crucial, as it may begin to read data more accurately. Additionally, this brief waiting period serves to ensure that the engine is functioning under normal operating conditions. Observing this step is essential in establishing whether the modifications made in the prior steps have yielded any positive results, indicating a potential resolution to the KAM error. Following the engine run sequence, the sixth step requires once again checking for pending or confirmed DTCs within the AT system via the HDS. This verification is pivotal in determining the effectiveness of the previous efforts to address the KAM error. If DTC P062F reappears, it is indicative of a persistent issue, prompting further investigation into possible wiring issues or loose connections at the PCM. If the PCM was recently updated or swapped, double-checking these connections becomes crucial, as poor contacts can lead to ongoing faults. Conversely, if DTC P062F does not appear, it suggests a successful resolution of the issue, allowing you to move forward. In the final detailed monitoring phase, utilize the HDS to observe the OBD status, specifically regarding DTC P062F. At this point, the system should indicate whether the issue has passed, meaning that the error has been resolved. If passed is indicated and the PCM was updated, troubleshooting for this particular error is deemed complete, as the system is functioning correctly again. However, if the HDS indicates failed, it is essential to recheck for poor connections or loose terminals at the PCM. If the connections appear secure and the problem persists, revisiting steps involving PCM updates or substitutions would become necessary. If the result returns as not completed, returning to an earlier step, such as starting the engine could yield further insights. As a concluding measure, it is crucial to conduct a final repair verification after addressing DTC P062F. This is achieved by ensuring that all previous troubleshooting steps have been followed thoroughly and rechecking the diagnostic system with the HDS. Confirming that the DTC no longer appears and that the OBD status indicates passed is essential for validating that the repairs have been successful. Furthermore, performing a comprehensive final system check guarantees that no additional errors have arisen during the troubleshooting and repair processes. This final verification provides peace of mind to both the technician and the vehicle owner, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P062F, implementing a consistent preventive maintenance schedule is highly recommended. Regular software updates for the PCM should be conducted, as advancements in engine management software can significantly improve performance and reliability. Additionally, periodic checks on the integrity of PCM connections and wiring should be performed to preempt issues related to poor connectivity. Ensuring that all electrical components are secure and up-to-date can go a long way in preventing future KAM errors. Taking these proactive steps will enhance the longevity of the PCM and maintain the overall performance of the Honda Accord. A little prevention can save time and costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, understanding DTC P062F revolving around the powertrain control module's internal control module keep-alive memory error is essential for effective vehicle service and repair. The systematic troubleshooting steps are designed to identify and address underlying issues, ensuring the PCM can function correctly and optimize vehicle performance. Identifying causes like corrupted data or electrical issues allows technicians to perform specific checks efficiently. Furthermore, monitoring symptoms and completing thorough final repairs verifies the effectiveness of the troubleshooting. Lastly, incorporating preventive maintenance practices will aid in avoiding similar issues in the future. Employing this comprehensive strategy will enable successful resolutions and promote vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.